guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial of this super fun rainbow look. So let's get started. I'm going to be starting off with my foundation. This is the Mud brand. I love this brand so much. I actually forgot to prime my face before I did this. I highly recommend priming it because your makeup will go on so much smoother, but if you don't prime, it's totally fine. Now I'm just using Ben Nye to powder my face all over. Next, I'm just going to be contouring my face. You can skip this step because it does get covered up, but I like to use it as a good guide. Now I'm just going to be doing eyebrows, and then I'm going to move on to my eyelashes. Now I'm going to be drawing a little squiggly line all the way down my face. You can use an eyebrow pencil or you can use eyeliner. I chose the eyebrow pencil because it's super easy to erase if I make a mistake. Eyeliner is a little bit harder to fix. My eyebrow pencil actually broke right here, so now I'm using eyeshadow and a pointed Q-tip to finish this off. Now I'm going to be moving into the color part of this. I'm going to be starting off with red. I use this like neon, sparkly looking red, but anything will do. And you're just going to cover a little bit of your forehead, almost all the way to the eyebrow. Then I'm just going to continue with the rest of the colors all the way down my face. Now I'm going to go through, touch up all my colors, and do a little bit of blending. Now I'm just using the black and filling in on the other side. You're going to take the black out almost to the mid of your eyebrow. Now I'm just taking gray, or you can use black and just make a little less on your brush, and I'm going to be blending it outward to the outside of my face. Now I'm just going to go through and touch up my gray and my black. I'm going to be using this fun little sparkle black, which is totally optional. I just thought it was super fun. to take my eyeliner and I'm going to go down and clean up the lines and the squiggles in the middle of my face. Now I'm just going to go through and touch up all the colors again. Now I'm going to powder over all this color and help blend it. Make sure you don't use a powder that is going to ruin your makeup. Again, I'm going to go through and touch up that eyeliner over all the stuff where the color might have covered it up. Now I'm going to take the eyeliner and I'm actually going to cover up some of where the color might have gotten on the eyelashes, and then I'm also going to take it and wing it out. Now I'm going to be taking the gray and I'm going to be blending it all the way out past my eyebrow and making sure I'm smoothing out all of those smudges. Now I'm going to be going over every single color and making it pop a little bit more. Again, I'm just going to take that powder and go all the way over it and making it look a little more smooth and blended. Now I'm going to be doing the white. Make sure your brush is super clean or you're going to have some unwanted colors in there. Also, I really packed on that white, otherwise it becomes see-through and you can't really see it as well as you'd want to. Right now I'm taking a lighter gray so that I can blend that white in with the other gray, and I'm trying to get rid of all those harsh lines. I found out a little bit later that if I mix my white eyeshadow with my translucent powder, it'll actually coat on better and not be so see-through. Now I'm doing eyeliner and covering up any powder that may have gotten on the eyelashes, just like I did on the other side. Now I'm doing my powder one last time to make sure everything's blended and coated over. Now I'm just doing a few little last minute touch-ups and blending. Now I'm just going to finish it off with my eyebrows. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I would love to hear from you guys and see how you did, so please comment down below and let me know how this worked for you. I also did a video over on my sister's channel where she tried to do this makeup look on me. It's super funny, so don't forget to check that out. My Instagram is in the description box down below. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell so you can get notifications from me. I post every Friday and you don't want to miss out. Thank you guys so much. Bye!